Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the new feature from Instagram on how to add music to your Instagram profile. And for this we are going to our Instagram app. Right now we are in our home screen, we click on bottom right profile section. Here we are in our profile, we click on edit profile here. And once we do that, we are going to go a little bit down and we see music. There we see add music to your profile. And you just basically click on that. Now you can pick a song for your profile. You can pick any song you want. You can type in everything, you can browse. Also the popular songs, the new top songs are in. I'm going for this one. And also you can pick your favorite part of this song. I'm going for the middle part because I think it's the best. I select it, click on done again. And that's it, guys. Now it is installed. Right now when everyone goes to your profile, they will hear this song. And this is how it works, guys. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and then I'll see you guys in the next one.